You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Gas Turbine Engine II in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry-related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
Gas Turbine Engine II is an advanced-level continuation of Gas Turbine Engine I. This subject focuses on the operation, components, performance, modern control systems, and maintenance practices of gas turbine engines used in aircraft propulsion. It prepares students to work confidently with turbofan, turbojet, turboprop, and turboshaft engines used in modern aviation. 1. Advanced Gas Turbine Engine Theory. A. Brayton Cycle, Advanced Study. Real versus Ideal Cycle. Impact of compressor efficiency. Turbine inlet temperature, TIT, limits. Combustion efficiency and pressure ratios. B. Engine performance factors. Thrust variation with temperature and altitude. Specific fuel consumption, SFC. Bypass ratio and its effect on efficiency. Engine pressure ratio, EPR. C. High bypass turbofan technology. Benefits in commercial aviation. Noise reduction techniques. Blended nacelle designs. Fan blade aerodynamics and composite materials. 2. Gas turbine engine components, advanced. A. Compressors. Multi-stage axial compressors. Variable stator vanes, VSVs. Active clearance control. Compressor stall and surge prevention. B. Combustion section. Annular combustion chambers, modern. Fuel atomization and spray patterns. Combustion temperature control. Emission reduction, NOx control. C. Turbines. High pressure, HP, and low pressure, LP, turbine stages. Cooling techniques, film cooling, thermal barrier coatings. Blade creep and fatigue. Turbine blade materials, superalloys. D. Exhaust system. Convergent and convergent divergent nozzles. Thrust vectoring, in military engines. Acoustic liners for noise reduction. 3. Thrust reverser systems. Cascade type, turbofan engines. Target type, older engines. Hydraulically or electrically actuated. Interlocks and deployment safety systems. 4. Engine systems. A. Fuel system. High-pressure fuel pumps. Fuel metering units, FMU. Fuel filters and fuel heaters. Duplex nozzles and fuel manifolds. B. Lubrication system. Dry sump lubrication. Scavenge pumps. Oil coolers and filters. Oil contamination indicators. C. Air systems. Compressor bleed air. Cabin pressurization and wing anti-ice. Cooling of turbine components. Clearance control systems. D. Ignition system. High-energy igniters. Dual-channel ignition. Auto-relight functions. Start sequence logic. 5. Engine installation and nacelles. Firewalls and fire detection loops. Engine mounts and vibration isolators. Accessory gearbox, AGB. Nacelle ventilation and cooling. 6. Engine control systems. A. FADEC, Full Authority Digital Engine Control. Dual-channel computer control. Fuel scheduling and compressor control. Thrust management. Automatic protection, over temp, over speed. B. Engine indicating and crew alerting. ICAS/ECAM engine page. EPR, N1, N2, N3 indications. Vibration indicators. Oil pressure, temperature and fuel flow displays. C. Engine monitoring. Vibration monitoring systems. Health trend monitoring. Engine condition monitoring units, ECMU. 7. Engine starting systems. A. Types of starters. Electric starters. Pneumatic starters. Air turbine starters, ATS. B. Start sequence. Ignition on. Fuel flow introduction. Light up and acceleration. Starter cutout. Idle stabilization. C. Abnormal starts. Hot start. Hung start. No light up. FADEC protections. 8. Maintenance and troubleshooting. A. Routine maintenance. Borescope inspections. Oil sampling and analysis. Hot section inspection, HSI. B. Engine faults and diagnosis. Stall and surge investigation. Abnormal vibration. Overtemperature readings. Noise or performance deterioration. C. Documentation. AMET, Engine Maintenance Manual. CMM, Component Maintenance Manual. Service Bulletins and ADs. Engine Logbook Entries. D. Engine Removal and Installation. Safety Precautions. Disconnection of fuel, hydraulic, electrical systems. Alignment and torque requirements. 9. Importance for AMET students. Prepares students to inspect, troubleshoot, and maintain modern turbofan/turbojet engines. Essential for licensing exams, EASA/CAA. Improves understanding of safety and performance. Required skill for airline maintenance engineering jobs. Conclusion. Gas Turbine Engine II provides advanced knowledge of engine operation, control systems, and maintenance. It builds the technical capability needed to safely manage aircraft propulsion systems in the aviation industry. This subject is crucial for students who aim to work as aircraft maintenance engineers, engine technicians, or power plant specialists.